we have this very unique piece in a tissue. So today we have this very gorgeous piece with this Parsi Gara work and in pure tissue with this very gorgeous color combination and the embroidery, just to see. And this embroidery is totally locked. So let's open this piece and just see how it looks with this gorgeous Sona Rupa Saree booty is also there. So this is the piece. We have the very gorgeous touch in that, and just to see the piece and look at the pallu in that. This is the Sona Rupa Saree, like this gold and silver, and look at the border edging. It's a beautiful, and you can see with the embroidery there is peacocks and some parrots are there with this gorgeous flowers weaving. And the blouse comes with also with the tissue only with this heavy embroidery. It's a full of Parsi Gara embroidery for the front neck, back neck, to the back and the sleeves end. You can see the blouse. It's a totally designer piece and very classy looking if you're going to buy. Not the weaving pattern, but the something different and the pure silk. So just go for this piece. It's a very nice piece.